Hey friends, tonight I'm making Singapore noodles. This is a fantastic dish that's shrouded in mystery because it's actually not from Singapore. It's believed to have been created by a Cantonese chef and became initially popular in Hong Kong. And then it spread throughout the world, far and wide, to the point where I've had it in a mountain town in Sri Lanka, and that was the first time I tried it. Now this is a dish that comes together quickly at the end, so what we want to do is begin by getting everything ready. For custom blended curry powders and much more delivered straight to your door, visit sanjayacookery.com. Alright, so I am going to boil some rice vermicelli noodles. So if you do not have the Shaoxing cooking wine, that's okay. If you want to replace it, I would use a sherry. If you don't have that, then you're screwed. No, just toss in some motor oil. No, just toss in some white wine. It's not the same. I prefer you get this, but now what makes this noodle dish really unique amongst Chinese dishes is that most of the noodles are wheat. Here we're using rice noodles, and what is especially unique about Singapore noodles is the use of curry powder. As long as you're working with rice noodles and using curry powder in the sauce, it's still going to be Singapore noodles. However, you can really customize it to the way you want, if you want to make it vegan, vegetarian, or omnivore. Today I'm going to be doing the most common version you'll see in Chinese restaurants: roast pork and shrimp. Okay, we want to get our wok smoking hot before we add the oil. Okay, we are going to set our eggs aside and start with the rest. Mocha always gets a share. If the noodles are all clumped together, what you can do is get like some tongs and just separate them to mix up the ingredients. This dish is just as amazing as the first time I had it in that mountain town in Sri Lanka. It's such a unique noodle dish that I think you're gonna love.